What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these scrumptious pumpkin spiced waffles. These are perfect for a cozy fall breakfast. To make these, we will need 2 cups of oat flour, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of my favorite Trader Joe's pumpkin pie spice. Mix this all together. Next, we're going to mash up 1 ripe banana. We're going to need 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of pumpkin puree, and a splash of vanilla. Mix it all up. Then we're slowly going to add in our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. I placed the batter into my waffle maker, but if you don't have one, this batter makes amazing pancakes too. Voila! Delicious pumpkin spiced waffles. I top mine off with powdered sugar, some walnuts, and of course, a ton of maple syrup. I hope you guys make these. They are a perfect breakfast. If you do, please tag me on Instagram because I love seeing your creations. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because I will be making yet another pumpkin recipe next week. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you next week.